Good morning, students. Look here, she is Ellie. Ellie the alligator. She loves to eat the biggest number. Let's find out which number will she eat. Here we have 7 and here we have 2. Now guess what will she eat? 7 or 2? That's right. She will eat 7. Very good. Now look here. Now we have number 4 and 8. Now tell me, which number will she eat now? Yes, you are right. She will eat number 8. Okay, which number will she eat now? 14 or 12? Yes, she will eat 14. Always remember, Ellie loves to eat the biggest number. This is the sign of greater than. This is the sign of less than, and this one equals to. Okay, now how will we recognize this sign? Look, this sign looks like 7 and this sign looks like little bit L. So from L less than, from 7 greater than. This is a small trick. 7 greater than, L less than. 7 greater than, L less than. And this sign equals to, greater than looks like 7, less than L. Now we have to put the correct sign of this here in the box. Okay, here I have 60 and here I have 50. So we check the tens place here in the 2-digit numbers. So what is here at tens place? 6. And what is here at tens place? 5. And at ones place we have 0, 0. Okay, tell me which one is the bigger one, 6 or 5? Yes, you are right. 6 is bigger than 5. So, like Ali's mouth, the open end of the sign goes to the bigger number. So here 60 is bigger than 50. So we put the sign like this. And how do we read this? 60 is greater than 50. 60 is greater than 50. Always remember, we have to write the sign correctly in the box. Start the sign from here and like this. If you mark a sign like this, so this one is the wrong way to write the sign. This is the right way. Now we have these numbers. Here at tens place we have 5 and 5. The numbers are same. Now we jump to the ones place then. Here I have 3 and here I have 6. Okay. Now we will find out which one is the biggest number here. 3 or 6? Yes, you are right. 6 is the biggest number. Okay, that means 56 is biggest than 53. So always remember, like Ali's mouth, the open end of the sign goes to the bigger number. Now how will we read this? 53 is less than 56. 53 is less than 56. Again we have same numbers at tens place. check the ones place number. Here I have 9 and here I have 8. So which one is the bigger one? Yes, 9 is the bigger than 8. That means 39 is bigger than 38. So we put the sign. So read with me, 39 is greater than 38. Okay. Next, here we have 8 and at tens place, and at ones place again we have the same number 7. So what will we do now? So in these cases we mark a sign of equals to. Thank you.